Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in Elizabeth, New Jersey. Just came off the train and we're gonna take a walk around to see what's going on today. As you can see, it's a bright and sunny day. So this is what it's like when you come off the train. You have a nice restaurant right here, and across the street you have some small shops. So that's the train station there. It's a Friday and right now it's 11:40 a.m. Okay, so this is Colombian Steakhouse. They have a lot of small business, food business right there. Another restaurant right here. You know, wherever there's Spanish and black, you're gonna have a lot of music. Got the restaurant right here. So we're at the corner of Westfield Street. That's Westfield Street. And this is the other side.
Te vas a parar ahí como hiciste ese día, como yo te digo.
Music again. So we are walking down Morris Avenue. So as you can see, both sides we have a whole lot of small businesses. So right away you can feel the Latin influence. It's another Colombian restaurant right there. Another restaurant here. La Fogata Restaurante. And look at this building. And this is a bakery right here. And we have the stream right here. So this is what it's like walking down Morris Avenue in Elizabeth, New Jersey. This is another restaurant here. Palograni Restaurant and Bar. Side street view. You have Dunkin' Donuts right here. So this is Orchard Street, Irving Avenue, and this is what it's like.
She literally asked me all this about some. Do I need help? That's okay. I come to that. He said, yeah, definitely. I know. That don't sound like shit. If you want me to do this, I need to get something out of it, nigga. Like, you know what I mean?
Look at that Jeep there. We have liquor store, we have Caribbean supermarket. Hello. And this is a laundromat. So this is Elm Street and Morris Avenue. Across the street you have Burger King there. So down this section, as you can see, is more residential. You have a few business places, but not much. A mix of residential and business. And the houses are a little different from New York. They have a little bodega right here and flower shop. And that's about it. So this is Stiles Street. You have a pizza shop right across the street here. So this is where we're gonna end this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification button. Until our next video, thank you for watching.